Hey guys, Brent Boyer from Adam again. So I wanted to give you an update and talk a little more about the governor's executive order in Michigan and the effect that this is having on the court system and divorce and family law matters as things are ongoing here and information is changing. So, first of all, this information as of April 7th, the executive order continues through April 13th at midnight. That's in all likelihood going to get extended, but at this point that's where it's at. So the one question we get is, are the courts closed? So they're not actually closed. They're certainly not operating as they normally would, of course, but there are still court hearings happening and things are going forward. Initially what happened is a lot of court dates got moved out, a lot of them even into May, but then ongoing, there are still hearings taking place depending on the county that your case is in. So Oakland County, they're doing some hearings through Zoom and by phone. Washtenaw County, same thing. And so and actually Macomb County, I think, is doing that now as well. So that's kind of the update. Depending on what county you're in, is going to tell you where things are at. They're not fully closed. So that's one question we're getting. Another question we're getting is, can I file for divorce? Can I start a new case? And the answer is that you can. That again varies from county to county, but in all counties we're basically able to start a new case at this point, whether it's filing it by mail or fax. Remember the days of fax? There's still faxes, or filing it through the mail, or even filing it electronically, or whatever the method might be. Each county's different. Washtenaw County actually was one of the first ones. They were actually one of the first counties that I had heard of in the entire state that would allow you to start a divorce case through e-file. That was happening before all the virus stuff started. So they're definitely set up to do e-filing, and the other counties have varying methods of how to do this. So the answer is you can still do things, you can take care of things, you can get court hearings, you can start court cases, whatever it might be, and our offices are open, our attorneys are taking calls, we're taking new clients, we're able to help you, we're able to give you some advice, we're able to tell you what we can and cannot do at this point, and there's still a lot that we can do, even with the executive order in place. And then another question we get is, what do I do to keep my current case moving, my divorce case, my family law matter? So the best way to keep things moving is stay in touch with your attorney if you have one. It's good to be available, ready for questions. The attorneys have time to work with you on things. They're not having to spend as much time in court right now, so they're available for questions, available to work on your case and keep things moving forward. So hopefully that helps answer some questions about how things are as of today.